Hey, my loves, it's your girl, lovely angel lady. L to the A to the L. What's up with it, y'all? So today we are doing a wig review. Yes, we are. Child, we got some blonde. Y'all see this? We got some blonde. Okay. I think I might be here for it, but if you want to see what I think and get some more deets on this wig that I'm wearing, then you're gonna want to sit right there in your seats. Don't go nowhere. Keep watching. If you have not joined the fam, girl, what you waiting on? Go ahead and make it official. Press that subscribe button and subscribe, and voila, it's free. You're in the fam, just that easy, y'all. And don't forget to tap the alert bell while you're at it so you will not miss any of my uploads. You will not miss a beat, okay? So, how, let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So, this wig that I'm rocking today, let me get her stock card. This is Tiana by no other than Janet Collection. I would love to say thank you to Janet Collection. Janet Collection sent this chica on over to your girl LAL for my honest opinion. Okay, so this video is made possible because of Janet Collection reaching out to your girl. So thank you once again, Janet Collection. I am very happy that I got a chance to try this chica out because you know, a lot of the textured wigs have been really popular lately. So I'm gonna let y'all see how I styled this girl real quick, and then we're gonna come right back and hop into the deets on this cutie, okay? All right. Okay, y'all, so this wig again is Tiana by Janet Collection. Tiana is a natural yaki texture wig. She is in their Natural Me Lite collection. She is a blowout texture, okay? So you want to look like you got a Dominican blowout from the salon? Sis, I got you. We got you covered. Okay, Janet Collection has got your back. Okay, so with that being said, let's talk about this color. Can we talk about this blonde? Y'all know that my hair is blonde, so I'm really loving this. This is a DR2 LT Ash Blonde. DR2 LT Ash Blonde is the color. So you see the dark roots giving me so much life, okay? She is a middle part wig. If you try to part on either side, you're not gonna get anything. How you fix that? Cock it to the side, sis. Cock it to the side. You got your side part, okay? Whichever way you wanna cock it, to the left, cock it to the right, okay? We got some little swoops. Y'all know I love the swoops, okay? Don't hate on the swoops. We got us some grown woman swoops going on with the little baby hairs. We style our edges like grown-ups, you know what I'm saying? I've been loving me some swoops lately, y'all. But this lace wig is 100% premium fiber. She is affordable, y'all. I like on the model, this DR1B Fire Brown is gorgeous. Look at that. Right here, that's really pretty. Yeah, I think that's so cute. And she has on a DR1B4 Ash Blonde, and I have on a DR2 LT Ash Blonde. But this color is just beautiful. And with these contacts too, like y'all, it just flows together. Like I really like it. One thing is, like you can use hairspray to try to, you know, if you want to rock her flipped like this towards the end or like this towards the end, you have to definitely put some hairspray in this girl. But she does have a special knotting on the back of the nape. It shows right here. If y'all can see right there. And then, like I said, her part, the middle part is a deep part. It's a deep part lace hand tied on Swiss. So it's Swiss lace, 100% hand tied. Ear to ear soft Swiss lace. So around the hairline, she does have ear to ear lace. But in terms of being able to part, it's a center part wig, okay? So like the lace does not go way back here. She's not frontal. Okay, but this is Tiana. Tiana is cute. And I love the texture, y'all. She has lots of texture. Can y'all see that? The texture on this girl. And let me see. She is safe to heat style 360 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what I wanted to know. So it doesn't say on the front of the stock card, I don't see, but on the back it does say that Team Natural, here's something very special for the perfect naturalista. The Natural Me wig line contains an array of texture styles to mimic your natural hair, featuring blown out and stretched hairstyles in both type 3 and type 4 curl textures. Everything from kinky straight, curly, wavy, and even pre-braided designs. You are bound to find a style that fits your preference. Each unit is handcrafted and made with premium synthetic fibers. Safe to heat style up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's where it says that. And it says the others have their kinky textures, but they can't get it as kinky as they can. You know what I'm saying? That's what they're showing there. But yeah, sis is kinky, okay? I love the texture, and she's a lengthy bob, so she's really cute. But like I said, if you want to flip her a certain way, you can hairspray her. And I also did use wax. I used my hair stick, my TGI bed head for cool people, so they say. I used my little wax stick right here. to get the flyaways to lay down, I use my Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioner spray. It detangles, adds a little shine to the hair. But as far as sheen goes, natural. In terms of cap size, I think she's pretty safe for the big head cuties. Not a huge cap, but she's a nice size. Like all this, pretty loose. Can y'all see that? So yeah, braid y'all hair down like I always tell you, but my big head cuties, y'all are safe with Tiana. Okay? Yes, y'all, it is Virgo season. So your girl is gonna be rocking the heck out of this little blonde. I'm loving the texture, the color, like the dark roots, like, oh, this is giving me life. This ash blonde is just gorgeous, honey, with this texture. So like I said, if you want to rock the part like to the side, you can cock her to the side and it'll make her look like an angle bob. It'll give you that angle bob effect. But y'all play around with your wigs, you know, you gotta make them your own when you style them, you know. She's pretty straightforward. You just cut the lace from ear to ear going across. I put some makeup in the part to make the part, you know, just to bring it to life, define it and make it look a little bit more natural. I put a little bit of makeup along here. And she only has like a little bit of baby hairs, but I love that because all I had to do is just boom, boom, and your girl was done and bam, you know what I'm saying? But I love her length. She's like a good 14 inches. Like if you drop the longest layer, she's like a good 14 inches, y'all. And then in the back, she's not super short, so yeah. She's like layers around between 12 and 14 inches, okay? That's where she falls in terms of length. Density, of course, she got the kinky texture, so if they would have put more hair than this, y'all would be looking like Tina, okay? Remember when Tina was singing What's Love Got to Do With It? We would be like, whoo. But yeah, so I think she's really, really pretty. You will want to mess with, you know, flip the hair the way that you want it to go in hairspray. I didn't hairspray anything down or anything. I just keep kind of messing with it because I wanted to show her to y'all without doing all that, so y'all can get the full effect, you know, before you actually make your purchase if you are feeling this chica. But yeah, y'all, if you are interested, you can go to the description box, the description area of the video, and I always put like links and everything in there, purchase links and stuff for y'all, as well as like any information on my nails, which right now your girl's nails are pretty much busted. I cut those other ones off, and I plan on gluing some more press-on nails on for my birthday. My birthday is Friday. Yeah, y'all, so shout out to the Virgos. Woo woo. Yes, we the best. No, I'm just playing, but yeah, I love my Virgos. And I love our sapphire. Our birthstone is so pretty, and you know, blue is my favorite color too, so ooh, yeah, y'all, I might have to have me some fun with some blue nails. And I'm planning on, even if it's like a day after my birthday, I plan on doing a birthday look and stuff for y'all and coming back and just letting y'all watch that. I think that would be fun. So thanks again for reaching out to me, Janet Collection. This girl is really cute. I love the texture. I love that she's a bob. Y'all know I really be loving shorter units, especially in Vegas with it being hot. So, you know, I'm feeling this. But I hope y'all join the LAL Fam. If you did not watch the video before this, it was a get ready with me, my first story time. So it's a get ready with me with the story time. Make sure you go, like, if you really want to get to know me, you want to watch that video, like, for real. Because y'all know especially being a Virgo, like, we rarely open up like that. Like, we will help someone else probably with their emotions and stuff and what they're going through. And y'all know I have a background in therapy too. But when it comes to us, we're like, oh, I don't want to tell, I don't want to share, I don't want to let it out, I want to keep it to myself, you know. So but anyway, I'm opening up and letting y'all get to know me more, and so go check that out. Share this video. Sharing is caring, y'all. Go find your girl. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, all that good stuff. A lovely angel lady, all one word. Your girl loves you, and I'm gonna catch you in a few days with a birthday something. Birthday get ready with me. Birthday get snatched makeup. Probably a wig. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do it big. So tune back in because it's Virgo season and we're gonna celebrate. Hey. Oh, y'all know I had to do it. But all right, I love y'all, and your girl is gonna catch you in the next one. Later.